Hi everyone, Pashas here. I've been working with a buyer of mine and we're looking into, decent sized condos. He's downsizing from his house, doesn't need that 3,500 square feet space anymore. They don't want to deal with all the maintenance that, comes with the house. So we're looking to purchase a decent sized condo. So we're looking to anything above 1,200 square feet with parking locker, building amenities and nice area in downtown core. I came up with this unit. Actually, it's one of the recent sold units in that pocket. So I'm trying to compare, units and see what's available, the units that have been sold. So you get a better idea about that particular product that we're looking for. So that we can actually go and, look for them. And when we find them, we can, put together a strong offer. So I came across this one. This was sold in July 2024, and it's a two-bedroom plus den, two bathrooms, two parkings, which is quite rare, and a locker. Building was actually done about 15 something years ago. It has great amenities, which I'll show you later. But the owners of this unit have purchased this unit back in 2020, January 2020, before it gets crazy, before COVID and all of that. And they've done an amazing job by renovating this unit and turning it into what it is now. They've done a great job, honestly. They have great taste. I'll give them that. The finishes that they've picked, the extra storage and the room that they've created here. The kitchen looks amazing. The appliances, I mean, you can't find condos like this anymore. No one built them like this anymore, actually. The great storage that they have in the kitchen area. Here's the foyer, and the primary bedroom is large enough that you can actually fit a king size bed and you still have tons of space. The ensuite bathroom, great finishes again. They actually had this corner in the primary bedroom that they were able to set up an office there. You can always turn this into maybe a walk-in closet if you need extra closet space, but hey, who doesn't want a space like this? It can be used as an office, right? The second bedroom, great space. As you can see, the current owners, they're actually family. So I don't understand why you can't live in a condo like this as a family. And den was large enough that they were able to fit these two small beds for their kids. I mean, why not? The second bathroom, again, great finishes, great touches. I really like this unit. I wish this was still available, and I'm sure my clients would have loved this unit. And of course, the listing agent have also done a great job. So kudos to him. The balcony has northwest exposure, so you get beautiful Toronto skyline and the amazing sunsets that we get. The building has great amenities, pool, basketball court, bowling, decent sized gym that you can get an actual workout done, squash court, guess what? An outdoor tennis court as well. How about that? And here's the building from outside. Like I mentioned, this is probably done about 15 years ago, so building is in a great shape. I love these buildings, and these square footage doesn't come often, so that's why I actually took only 14 days for this unit to sell. Of course, it was a great unit, tons of upgrades. And here's the floor plan. Here's the den that I showed you with the two beds in it, the foyer, the dining and living space, balcony, second bedroom with closet, primary bedroom with closet, and that was a corner that they had turned into an office. Again, you can turn it into a walk-in closet if you want. So great space, great layout. I love the layouts like this. There's no wasted space, and for 1,200 square feet, honestly, it's perfect. Like I mentioned, two bedroom, two bathrooms, den, and a great living space, and two parking. And you might actually be interested to see how this unit looked like back in 2020 when it was purchased originally. Here we go. So now I guess you would appreciate more what they've done to this unit by upgrading it to what it is today. Unfortunately, this unit is sold, so my clients probably will have to look for something similar, but that will give me an idea about, what the current market price is for a unit like this. Let me know what you think in the comments. I'd like to know, what you think about units in this size and what the market, actually is ready to pay. Thank you and have a great day.